Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about how we can create the nested dictionary and how we will perform the operations on the nested dictionary. So far I have discussed about the dictionary and its function and the data structures and so on. Okay, in this video we are going to see about the nested dictionary. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. First I am going to create a dictionary, the name of employee. Okay, simply we are creating the dictionary, then the curly braces, but the next dictionary also created by this way, by the same way. Okay, have taken the employee ID as 1001 and name employee name Ram, company TCS, salary 15,000. I'm just close the dictionary. This is the main dictionary curly braces and this is inside, the inner dictionary. The next one, the ID is 1002. Then I'm going to create the same key with different values. So I'm just copying Roy, the company Wipro, salaries 25,000. Then the next one, the ID is 1003. Employee name is Renu, company Infosys, salary is 20,000. Okay, again I'm going to close the main dictionary. Okay, I want to display the complete dictionary. For that, see, we got the nested dictionary with their values, keys and values. Then I want to display the every ID's fields. That means here we have 3 IDs, 1001, 1002, 1003. So each and every ID I want to display the fields and its values. Okay, key value pair. First of all, for that, first we need to take the dictionary variable emp, then and ID 1001. See, the ID 1001 contains key values as name key contains the value as Ram, and company key contains name as TCS, and the salary key contains the value 15,000. That's the integer value. Then like the same way, create 1002, then employer 1003. Okay, Then we want to display the ID once, I mean which person contains the ID, which person holds the ID 1001. Okay, for that in the dictionary ID is 1001. Within the 1001 I want to display some IDs or some values. How we will display? See, first have to take this variable, then within that we want 1000, we will take 1002. Okay, 1002. Then within that ID what value we will want to display? Salary or company. I want to display the name of the person who is having the ID 1002. Roy. That means the Roy having the 1002, ID 1002. Like that we will display any kind of fields inside the ID 1002, 1001 and 1003. Okay, whatever the ID you have, that we can display by this method. Again I want to display the name of the employee who is having the ID 1003. Okay, then 1001. To display the salary of the employee who is having the ID 1002. Sorry, Sal, yes, is the caps. Python is case sensitive. If have given anything wrong, it won't display the accurate results. It throws an error. See, we got a output. Then I want to get how many IDs. Here we have given the 3 IDs. If the user has given n number of IDs like 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh and 10 lakh, how we will find out the keys, how many keys are present in the nested dictionary? That we will see, that we can find out by emp. It's a variable name dot keys of. See, used to display the all the key values, all the keys which is present in the dictionary. Then I want to display the values of the dictionary. So emp dot values of dictionary values, name, all the values has come. Okay, then I want to get the values and details of the particular ID. How we will get the ID? Particular details of the how we can get the details of the particular ID? That emp, it's employee, it's a variable name dot get of ID is 1001. Okay, like that we can get the ID is 1002. Okay, emp dot items of, it displays all the items which are present in the dictionary. Okay, we got all the IDs and values, keys. Okay, by using the getter function we got the particular ID, a particular value, keys and values. By using the values of function we got the values, all the values, and keys of function we got the all the keys. Okay, then I want to clear the complete dictionary, that employee dot clear off. Okay, now I want to display the dictionary. See, this is the empty dictionary. Okay friends, this video I hope it's very useful to you. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment in the comment box. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.